Hello.
Hello?
My name is Özgür. And I think my name sounds like an IKEA furniture name. I can be a bookcase, easily. You know, stylish, slightly unstable nowadays. Easy to assemble. Comes with a manual. Honestly, I wish I came with a manual, especially when dating. Imagine handing in a booklet to the guy on the first date. Assembly instructions, first page, list of parts, tools you're gonna need. Second page, the holes you need to be aware of. We're not gonna use the third one. No, Robert. Seriously. There's a hidden button. It's usually difficult to find, but we're showing it exactly where it is now. Don't pretend as if you discovered it. And if that screw doesn't work, try something else. Still confused? Ask the furniture.